D টা
0.6 হচ্ছে D, 4.8 হচ্ছে H আর 0.2 হচ্ছে T.
Yes. So using these values, you have to
4.6.
find now volume. Get it? And they told you to find the volume in two significant figures. Do it.
আর H কি বললো? H তো শোনা যায় না।
0.2.
H 4.8 centimeter.
H.
4.8
না স্যার 0.2 হচ্ছে thickness হচ্ছে 0.2 স্যার।
D is 4.6.
একটু নিচে যান স্যার।
Listen, D is 4.6, H is 4.8, and T is 0.2 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do.
$17.2.
17.2 আমারও আসে 17.2
Okay, in two significant figures.
17.20
No.
Oh, sorry,
17,
significant figure,
শুধু
only
17.
Yeah, only
17.
17 centimeter.
Significant.
Write the unit also.
Centimeter cube.
And in bracket you write 2 SF. It's for you.
Okay.
It's for you.
Zebra নাই ক্লাসে? Zebra.
Zebra quiz না থাবরাই বলছে তো।
Okay, now
আরে
continue.
মজা করতেছে, আমি তোকে জিবাই বলি ভাই। ও নাই
না।
Look, B. What is the answer of B?
Just suitable measurements.
Such as suitable measurements.
Thickness হচ্ছে you can use a vernier caliper.
And height?
Height you can use a ruler or a scale or a measurement tape.
Not measuring tape, only ruler
That
and
is,
scale.
ruler.
Ruler or scale. And thickness, either
Vernier caliper.
Micrometer or vernier calipers. Both are we are accepting.
Micrometer. Micrometer লিখছে স্যার।
If someone is writing vernier calipers, that is also correct. Micrometer, we are accepting that one also.
Okay, update. Yes.
So done, right?
Yes, sir.
This one is done. So you send me this writing, whatever you wrote. This writing you have to send through my email.
Sir, sir.
Yes.
এরকম করে আমার সেন্ড করতে কঠিন হয় কারণ আমি স্ক্রিন লিখতে পারি না।
You do not write to do in screen, just on your copy.
টেক্সট টাইপ কর।
শোন আমি বলি, কপিতে লিখে স্যারকে ছবি তুলে পাঠাই দিবি শেষ।
Yeah, you do it.
এটা কি কোনো টেস্ট নাকি বা এরকম কিছু?
না, স্যার চাইছে এটা স্যারের মনের কাছে ছবিটা নাই। অ্যানসার গুলো
you send me your working by email, okay? Scan
এই যে এই নাম্বার 3টা,
number 3, and also we did before another one.
Yes sir.
The
DHT টা,
magnet we did also. You drew also about magnet. Can you remember, Adnan?
ম্যাগনেট আবার কোনটা করলাম? আমি তো ছিলাম না।
You did
লাস্ট ক্লাসে করছি, লাস্ট ক্লাসে আমি নোট তুলছিলাম না।
last class we are doing the last class thing now.
ল্যাব না, তার আগেরটা ল্যাব ক্লাস
না, আজকে কোনটা পিক ইমেল করে পাঠাইতে বললো? নাম্বার 3টা না?
Both 1 and 4 both.
1 তো স্যার আমি লিখি নাই।
কেমনে লিখোস না? তুই ক্লাসে ছিলি?
Okay, listen.
ছিলাম, বাট লিখি না, আমি জাস্ট অ্যানসার মুখে বলছিলাম।
Adnan, you have this one in Google Classroom. Also, we have the recording. I uploaded the recording.
শোন আদনান, তুই ড্র করছিলি এটা স্ক্রিনে?
হ্যাঁ, আমি সবই করছিলাম, এখানে টাইপ করছি, ড্র করছি, সবই করছি।
So this paper is available in Google Classroom. Can't you do, Adnan?
না, আমি ভাবছিলাম যে একটাতে করলেই হয়েছে, আমার জাস্ট মনে থাকলেই হয়েছে, এই জন্য আমি আর লিখি নাই, কারণ
Okay,
এগুলো তো
you,
মনে
আরে ভাই
থাকারই বিষয়।
yeah, you do it and preserve it. It will help you a lot because today you can remember, but after 2 weeks you'll forget. It's happening, right? So it's better to do it than send me. It
আচ্ছা
will
স্যার,
be
করবো নি। ওকে স্যার।
in your email. It is preserved. My email it is preserved, and once you are doing, you can remember it more. Okay. Now we are doing today's one. Just now we finished the previous one. Okay, this one we will do now. Ahnaf Farhan, he is only attending the practical class.
মাশাআল্লাহ।
Last week he came in practical class, and
This week
today,
also.
and today he came also in practical class. Ahnaf Farhan, hello,
মুশি ইনস্টা দেয়।
Farhan.
Okay.
Okay, Aisha, you read. Huh?
A group of students is asked to determine the diameter of a large inflatable beach ball. One student uses a long piece of string to find the circumference of the ball. He then calculates the diameter. 2.1 shows the student with the beach ball. Suggest one practical difficulty in measuring the circumference of the ball.
Okay, suggest one practical difficulty in measuring the circumference of the ball. What is the difficulty?
Since it's an inflatable beach ball, if you put too much pressure on it, it would dent, and the circumference wouldn't, you wouldn't get the total circumference.
So it will be squashed, right?
Yeah,
So you write it there in your copy.
I can't write.
Yeah.
Okay.
In your copy you write
Okay.
the answer.
কি লিখবো
Today's-
স্যার?
yeah, you give today's date. You are doing this practical.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলেন, আজকে 17 না? হ্যাঁ।
Yes.
হ্যাঁ।
And you have the practical papers of October, November 2015. Paper
আর
4,
লিখবো কি?
you wrote the date,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
and after writing date you write the paper variant number.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, অক্টোবর নভেম্বর
15,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
2015.
শেষ তো।
Then paper for variant 2.
November 2015.
Paper 4 variant 2, আচ্ছা।
Yes.
Paper
Then
4,
you
paper
write,
4.
yeah, we are doing question number 2.
Paper 4. Number 2.
And then-
What should we write exactly?
2A.
You already told me that one you write.
Okay.
And also you write on the screen if
কি
possible.
লিখবো স্যার? দ্য বল ইজ ভেরি বিগ, আর একটা হইতে পারে যে একদম মাঝামাঝি নাও বাঁধতে পারে।
Nah, the ball, since it's an inflatable ball, too much pressure could cause it to get squashed, because you won't get the
ভাই
full
একটু স্ক্রিনে লিখ
circumference.
প্লিজ।
তো আরেকটাও তো, ওই যে তুই যদি মাঝখানে না বাঁধিস তাহলে সমস্যা হবে না?
Yes,
Result
very
তো
good.
সঠিক আসবে
Lots
না।
of ideas are coming. So you write your one, whatever you understand, you write your one. That one is also correct, Adnan. Then, any other idea? Ziba? Farhan?
Yes,
বলছি বা আসছে।
Farhan?
নাই স্যার।
Farhan.
ফাঁকিবাজ।
Farhan is there. Farhan is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Bolin,
you for
sir.
joining. We
Yes,
get
sir.
you only
Bolin, sir.
practical classes. What about
sir.
other classes?
The very nice, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
try to attend. You will get some
Yes, sir.
benefits, inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Aisha, can you write here what you told?
I can't. Like I said, I can't write on
Okay,
screen.
স্যার
আচ্ছা, আমি
আপনি লিখেন,
লিখতেছি।
আপনার জন্য তো ইজি হয়।
আচ্ছা স্যার, আপনি লিখেন। হ্যাঁ,
I actually want your participation more.
Participate করতেছি তো,
স্যার
কিন্তু
করছি তো
No,
স্যার,
you,
আমরা তো বলতেছি আপনি খালি লিখে দেন স্যার, বোর্ড হইলে তো আপনিই লিখতেন নাকি আমাদের তার বোর্ডে রাখতেন না?
No, that's তো
sometimes sometimes I call you. Yeah. Tell me,
বোর্ডে
Aisha,
ডাকছেন স্যার, মনে পড়ে না
Aisha,
স্যার।
Aisha, you say your one. Aisha?
আমি যেটা বলেছি, জি জি,
Yes. Tell me your one.
placing too much pressure upon the ball, uh, can could cause it to get squashed. Hence, you won't get the exact circumference.
Pressure. Placing too
আপন
much
দ্য বল,
pressure
On the ball,
আপন দ্য বল,
on the
on
ball.
একটা লিখতে হবে,
On the ball is okay. Then
could cause it to get squashed.
to cause it.
Could
Oh, could cause it to get squashed, right?
squashed.
And Adnan's one. So write it, huh? Farhan? Right. What is the difficulty we are getting? We are writing, you also write, huh? Adnan, tell me your
yes
one.
sir.
Your one is also correct. You can write.
Tying the string.
You can write. Adnan, you can write. I know you can write. You write
লিখতে
your
তো
one.
সবাই পারে, কিন্তু আমার আবার দুইবার লেখা লাগবে। লাস্ট ক্লাসে তো লিখে লাভ হইলো না, আমার তো আলটিমেটলি আবার লিখাই লাগে।
What is the problem? If you do twice, it is a good practice. Right?
এখানে লিখতেছে অ্যানোটেটর।
Hmm.
তার আপনার ইয়েটা সরায় দেন, না দেখা যায় না স্যার।
Okay. Tying the streak on the middle of the ball precisely. Okay, this is another difficulty. Then any other idea? Ziba, you have any other idea?
No, sir.
Okay. So these two we are writing. Then we are checking from the mark scheme. You just have a look. You do not need to write. Just we are checking the mark scheme. We have some other ideas over there. Look here. What Aisha told. It is the last. You see, the first one. Pulling string tight and squashing ball. Then you said the one Adnan. This one we can take, right? Sensible comment about marking string. Yeah, this one can be taken as that one. Then another one is here, ball not spherical. Then the last one is holding string straight out to measure length. Huh? That means we can also measure it straight, right? From ground to uh, here at the top of the ball, we can set the uh, measuring tape in a way, or a ruler, meter rule in a way that from bottom to top of the ball, we can measure the height. So that is also tough to hold it or to fix it beside the ball. It is also tough. Okay, done. This part is done. Now we can go to the next one. Now next. Yeah, B1. Ziba. Ziba. Hello, Ziba.
Yes, sir. Sir, here.
Read. Yeah, read and tell us the
You
answer.
describe a different method that another student may use to measure directly the diameter of the beach ball. You may include a diagram in your answer.
Okay, so what can we do for measuring the diameter accurately?
Measuring tape.
Measuring tape.
They are using measuring tape. Even the boy
No,
is
they're using rope.
yeah, using the rope string, so he can use measuring tape. Is it enough measuring tape?
Mm,
Directly you can measure. Yeah, your idea of measuring tape we are taking, but only measuring tape, is it possible to get it directly accurately? Like if you have the ball, hmm, here,
What about
huh?
using a formula? The circumference
Yeah,
formula.
yeah, looking for the
yeah,
diameter
formula
radius first.
diameter.
We
There,
could just use a scale and
yeah,
get the diameter, half it to get the radius, and then use the formula.
one thing you can do, you can from the bottom where it is ground, huh? From there straight, you can hold one meter rule, okay? And from this side, you can hold one stick or any instrument. Like you can also use the big set square we have in our lab. So
ই স্কেল টাইপের একটা
yeah. So this one is giving you accurately the measurements, huh? If the meter rule is used or measuring tape is used, someone has to hold it here. If you are using measuring tape, then you can check it correctly over here.
আচ্ছা স্যার মেজারিং টেপ ইউজ করলে কেন যাবে না মেজারিং টেপই তার ভালো অপশন মনে হয় না
Yeah, measuring tape we can use, but you have to use another another instrument. For example, one ruler or one set square you can use to get the reading accurately, because your top position is here, right? If your top position is here, to measure the length from this place, there will be some parallax error. So if you are using any other instrument, ruler or set square, then it will make it more accurate. Yes, correct. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So you can draw it. If your drawing is okay like this, then you will get 2 marks, and you can label it. Huh? It is, if you are using measuring tape, you label it as measuring tape, or the meter rule you can use over there. Then this one you can use another ruler, or set square you can use over here, so that you can measure it directly. Is it clear?
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we are going to next one.
1 সেকেন্ড স্যার, 1 সেকেন্ড, একটু উপরে যান তো 1 সেকেন্ডের জন্য।
একটু পরে।
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, লাগবে না, হয়ে গেছে।
Okay, now this part. Suggest two ways. Uh, yeah, Farhan.
Hold sir.
I really appreciate your struggle to join class. At least one day you are joining, mashallah.
MashaAllah.
So you read it. Read this
Okay,
part.
sir. Okay, sir.
আচ্ছা স্যার, একটা জাইজেন্টিক ভার্নিয়ার ক্যালিপার ইউজ করলে কেমন হয়?
Yeah, let us read it first, then you see. Yeah. Farhan, can you read loudly? Farhan,
Sir.
loudly please. Suggest from there.
Sir. Suggest two ways in which the student in B can make the measurement of the diameter accurate.
Yes, diameter he can make accurate. Already you got some ideas, right? Now we have to use two ways. Okay. What are the two ways to make the diameter accurate? So that there will be no parallax error.
স্যার এগুলো একটু রিমুভ করেন কষ্ট করে।
Yeah, remove. I will remove it. No problem. Yeah. So here we are having this one, huh? Look, the V1 ball placed between two planes. So our idea came over there. Practical detail mark, use a ruler or tape to measure. So we use either ruler or tape to measure. So that one also came. Now part 2. For making it more accurate, we can take the average, huh? Then we avoid parallax error in reading meter rule. Then what said by Aisha, not squash the ball. We have to take the measurement carefully so that it's not squashed. How planes made parallel described. Whatever we did to make the planes parallel, we described. That one can become. So any two. From these 4 points, any two you have to write. Can you write these points?
আবার একটু বলেন স্যার।
It's given there. You can't see. This is first one. Repeat and average. Huh?
আচ্ছা ওইখানে
Average.
আচ্ছা
Yeah. These 4 points. Already you told me about this, right, Aisha? So we have to avoid squashing the ball. You can bring this idea. Then I told you about parallax. Parallax error. Avoid parallax in reading meter rule. So these 3 points you can write. Repeat and take average, not squashing the ball, avoid parallax in reading meter rule. So done, right?
না স্যার দাঁড়ান।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ডান ডান ডান।
হ্যাঁ স্যার শেষ।
Okay, good. Now we have another question for you today. We will do it later. Question number 3 we will do later. First we will do question 4 today. Question 4 will do. Huh? Moshi, you read.
Yes, sir.
আজানটা শেষ হোক,
Number
স্যার।
4. Sir, আজানটা শেষ হোক।
Yes, number 4.
স্যার আজানটা শেষ হোক স্যার, আপনার ওখানে আজান দিচ্ছে। Student is provided with the following apparatus: the resistor with unknown resistance R for 1.5 V cells, an ammeter, a voltmeter, connecting leads. The student uses one of the 1.5 V cells in a circuit to determine the value of the resistance R in the space below. Draw the circuit diagram.
Okay. So the student uses one of the 1.5 volt cells in a circuit to determine the value of the resistance R. So he has the unknown resistor R. He has ammeter. He has voltmeter. He has connecting leads. So how he will draw the diagram to get the resistance? You draw the circuit diagram. Can anyone draw?
আমি ট্রাই করি।
Yes, please. Circuit diagram, okay.
হুম, হুম, না, স্যার ভোল্টমিটার অ্যামিটার হচ্ছে অপোজিট টু ওয়ান অ্যানাদার হবে না?
Ammeter should be in series. Voltmeter should be in parallel with the resistor.
স্যার উল্টো উল্টো হচ্ছে বারবার।
So who can do?
হ্যাঁ, দেখ কত কষ্ট হয়। আচ্ছা,
Who
আমি
can
করি,
do?
দাঁড়া next.
Yeah. You can do, yeah.
কোয়েশ্চেনটা পড়ে নিয়ে আমি অন্য রুমে গেছিলাম, বাট ওকে।
Jiva is drawing.
ওকে,
সিবা ট্রান্সফার সেল।
Yes, correct.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
Nice.
ট্রান্সফার সেল আছে না?
Nice. So we got
One
the
of the
cell.
cell.
Huh? There is only one. There is only one cell here.
Please, Adnan
1.5
Likhona.
volt.
This looks horrible. My drawing is already horrible. Don't make it more horrible.
Okay, look, we have the ammeter. Already we know the symbols, right? This one is resistor. Resistor symbol we know. Ammeter symbol we know. Voltmeter is parallel with the resistor. It is cell, 1.5 volt cell. Okay, so done. Circuit diagram is done. All of you can draw it. Yeah, Farhan, are you drawing? Farhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it, please. Yeah, we are going to next one. Next question. Huh? Yeah, ammeter, voltmeter, we understand from the symbol easily. Ammeter, voltmeter. Huh?
Should I remove the drawing?
Yes, we can remove all. We can have it, no problem. Now, V1. Yeah, Ahnaf.
Bolon, sir.
Continue.
So B4 bowl.
Yes, yes.
The emitter has one red terminal and one black terminal. The red terminal is marked plus. Explain why the terminals of the emitter are different colors.
Because they signify different charges. As red has positive charge, the
Plus positive
black
charge. The
has
black one
negative
has
charge,
negative.
and so like we don't get it mixed up.
Yeah, that is one thing. And another thing is they have polarity, right? Emitter, they have polarity. Polarity means if you connect a positive side with negative side, that means the cells positive you are connecting with emitters negative, then this device will not work. Okay, and this is called polarity. Okay, that's why you have to identify to get them correctly, positive and negative. You write,
So we just write
yeah, because the
resistor
emitters
terminals have polarity, which
polarity,
means that
yes,
if we
yes,
connect the red terminal with the
yeah,
negative part of the emitter, it won't work.
yes, they will not work. Correct. Excellent. So you write it, huh? So they told you on your circuit diagram in A, label with the letter B the black terminal of the emitter. So in your previous diagram already you drew that there
Could I
you have
draw
to
it again?
label B where it is negative, where it is positive.
Could I draw it again, sir?
Yeah, you can draw it because it will not take that much time. So look, the black terminal of the emitter. So emitter has these two terminals, right? One is here, another one is here. Okay, emitter is here. So your B should be labeled in this terminal. We have here positive and here we have negative. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes, correct.
আচ্ছা স্যার ক্লাস টাইম না শেষ?
Yes, just now it is done. So B, you got it? Where you have to label?
Yes, sir. Order
Okay.
label.
Yes. So can you please send me this work also
Okay.
by this Saturday? How much
Okay.
is done today? Okay, Allah
Okay.
Hafiz. Thank you for
Allah
আল্লাহ
joining.
হাফেজ স্যার।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
আল্লাহ, for
Assalamu
biology.
alaikum.
Okay.